So hey everybody, this is me Raman Karthik. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please go and subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. So in this video we are going to see about the world's first nanotech use which happened in India. We are going to see it in a very brief manner, and we are going to time travel 2600 years ago to know what had really happened. So stay tuned my dear friends, and keep watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and comment me down below how was this video, and let's go to the main content. So, in 2015, in a nondescript village from 450 km from Chennai, India, were found the remains of a city that went back to the 3rd and to 6th century BCE. Now, in a broken pieces of pottery and artifacts from the excavation site, Keeladi scientists have stumbled upon the world's first known use of nanotechnology over 2600 years ago. The findings have been documented in a paper published in Nature in November 2020. Before this, the oldest known carbon nanostructures were found in Damascus blades from the 16th to 18th century CE. Corresponding author of the paper, Dr. Nagabhupati Mohan, said the Damascus blades, in fact, were also made in India. The technique of coating used in Damascus blade appears to be known only to Indians. And before that, the gold and silver nanoparticles were found in Islamic poetry from the 7th to 8th century CE, and in Roman Lycurgus cup from 4th century CE. Moreover, a corrosion resistant azure pigment known as Maya blue, the first produced in 9th century, was discovered in pre-Columbian Mayan city of Chichen Itza. It is complex material containing clay with nanopores into which indigo dye was combined chemically to create an mentally stable pigment. Now, this great archaeological discovery in the small Indian village of Keeladi pushes the oldest known use of nanotechnology back by 1,000 years. The carbon nanotubes are tubes of carbon that are billionth of a meter in diameter. Their occupants were discovered in 1991 by Japanese scientist Sumio Lijima. Since then, researchers have come up with many ways to synthesize it. The most common method is chemical vapor disposition. Mohan explained, involving a complex process with high temperature from 800 degrees. So, when the researchers saw black coating on the pottery shards, they didn't think they would find anything extraordinary. Actually, we expected to see an amorphous type signature, in layperson's term, a charcoal paste kind of coating, Mohan said, but they saw a sophisticated technique close to perfect. And the paper said the average diameter of this nanotubes was found to be between 0.6 nanometer, which is nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. The theoretical limit, a state in which a system is free to defects, is 0.4 nanometer. Practically, it is not easy to synthesize any material free of defect or close to its theoretical standard, because there will always be a local fluctuations in pressure, temperature, concentration, etc. involved in any synthesis processes. Mohan explained the diameter of the carbon nanotubes found in Keeladi coatings with diameter closer to the theoretical limit validates the precise control over fabrication process and proof of mastery in that art. That may be why the nanostructures survived for 2.5 millennia. So, what makes the Keeladi pottery unique? That the coating has retained its surface stability and smoothness, surpassing time-bound wear and tear, said Mohan. It is possible that the plant-based material were used, which when put through a fire process for pottery making reached temperatures that led to the formation of nanotubes, but the exact fabrication and the coating process is yet to be understood. Carbon nanostructure processes high strength and low weight, and are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are now being explored for use in electronic devices, sensors, transistors, batteries, and many medical equipments. Among several other applications, in the Keeladi pottery shards, the black coating was on the inside. It opens up the possibility that while the settlement knew how to synthesize them, they may not have been aware of the effects. And if these potteries were used for edible preparation, then the ancient civilization might have been aware of cytotoxic nature of carbon nanotubes. The paper said it is the reflection of the question where they are aware of toxicity, because till now the toxic nature of carbon nanotubes is not properly known. The present national policies do not easily give legal approval to use a material for domestic and edible purposes if its human compatibility is not defined clearly. So he added that the next thing to do would be understanding the purpose of the coating. We may end up knowing something great about this ancient civilization. So that's it, people. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like this content. So the nanotechnology, that too in India, Tamilnadu, is a great thing. So wait for more content, subscribe, and thank you for watching.